Something strange happens when you travel more than 100 days a year. You stop thinking about outfits and start thinking about survival tools. Not dramatic survival, just the little things that keep you sane. So today, I'm breaking down the 10 gadgets I never travel without. Which one would you add? 1. Portable charger. Long trips only feel long when your battery is dying. My portable charger earns its place because it keeps everything running when time zones, layovers, and unexpected delays pile up. I keep a model with multiple ports so I can charge my phone, my smartwatch, and even my Kindle at once. It's a small piece of tech, but it shapes the entire rhythm of a travel day. There's real comfort in knowing your navigation, documents, and camera will still work when you land somewhere new. 2. Universal power adapter. This one never leaves my gadget bag. Not in the hotel, not in a drawer, not in another suitcase. It sticks with me because voltage and plug shapes shift wildly from country to country. A universal adapter with the right ports makes every outlet useful no matter where I am. When you travel as often as I do, this little block becomes the bridge between you and all your devices. It's the difference between waking up to a fully charged phone or waking up to a blank screen. A small tool, but essential for keeping everything consistent. 3. Noise-canceling headphones. Travel puts you in loud places. Planes, ferries, stations, cafes, and terminals have their own background hum. Noise-canceling headphones create a pocket of calm inside all that movement. They help me focus on work during flights or unwind with music when the day feels long. The value isn't just in clearer audio. It's in the mental reset that comes from tuning out constant noise. With travel days stretching for hours, having a private sound world is a small gift I rely on. 4. Apple AirTag. Traveling 100 days a year means luggage goes through a lot: transfers, baggage belts, teams of handlers, and the occasional unexpected detour. An Apple AirTag gives a quick snapshot of where my bag actually is. I place one in my main luggage and another in my Helly Hansen gadget bag. It's reassuring to open the Find My app and see everything moving with me. This is especially useful during tight connections where bags can slip behind. A coin-sized tracker, but a huge reduction in stress. 5. Luggage scale. A digital luggage scale sits in my front pocket because I learned long ago that confidence in your packing doesn't always match the actual weight. Checking it before leaving for the airport keeps surprises away and saves time at check-in counters. I've lent this scale to dozens of travelers along the way. Somehow, there's always someone reworking their bag at the last minute. 6. Travel pillow. Sleep becomes currency on long trips. A simple travel pillow doesn't look like a high-tech gadget, but its impact is felt immediately when you need just a little support on a long flight or a late-night ride between cities. It doesn't guarantee perfect sleep, but it protects your neck, brings you a moment of comfort, and helps you feel grounded when you arrive. Sometimes, those tiny improvements matter more than a long rest. 7. Compression packing cubes. Packing cubes have been part of my system for years, but compression cubes add something extra. They squeeze out just enough air to create more room without making the suitcase heavy or tight. My clothes stay separated by type, the way I've always liked: tops with tops, pants with pants, and smaller items in their own space. When you move often, the order inside your bag shapes how quickly you can settle into each new place. 8. Reusable water bottle. A reusable bottle doesn't feel like a gadget at first glance, but it solves two problems at once: staying hydrated and avoiding the constant purchase of plastic bottles. I fill it before boarding flights, trains, buses, or ferries. It's sturdy, it fits in a side pocket, and it's become part of the ritual of leaving every hotel room. It may be the least techie object in this lineup, but it's one of the most consistently used. 9. E-reader. My relationship with e-readers goes back to 2009 when I traveled through Thailand with a backpack filled with books. That was the trip that convinced me to switch. Since then, I've read almost entirely on a Kindle. My first one served me faithfully for years until it finally quit on me, and I upgraded to the Kindle Voyage. It carries my books, my documents, my travel notes, and even copies of my essentials like passport, details, and insurance. And because I read at least 2 books a week, the value has been undeniable. 10. The gadget bag. Everything I've talked about lives inside one small object, my gadget bag. It's the first thing I pack, and the last thing I unpack. Inside it are the cables, chargers, adapters, AirTags, memory cards, and small tools that keep every device alive. Over the years, this single pouch has become the brain of my travel system. It holds the pieces that make my long travel days smooth and predictable. It's also the one item I would never leave behind, because losing it would mean losing the entire travel setup I've built. The gadget bag isn't glamorous, but it's the heart of everything. Without it, none of the other items work together. What about you? Which gadget would be in your top 10? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Your answers always inspire the next video.